Okay.
XSmax. Let's open it.
I was so happy.
Oh my goodness, I cannot believe it.
I still can't. Mm-mm-mm.
Hold on, let me not do that.
I was recording off my XS Max. I mean my
Oh my
Success
goodness.
Plus.
Okay, these were the stickers. My precious, precious, precious baby.
She still is precious.
Booyah! How you like me now? Let me stop. But yeah, it come with the jack and the little wall piece and the charger. But yeah, yes.
They always talking still right now.
I'm
They
loving
just
it. I
talking
love
about
that color
everything.
though. It's so cute. Oh, she's so pretty. She is so pretty. Yes, indeed. She is so pretty. Uh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. She's so pretty, ain't she?
Yes.
Watch her power up. Watch her power up. Oh my goodness. She's so pretty. Look at her. Oh my goodness. She's so pretty. Look at her.
That's all I kept saying.
Goodness, God, greatness. Oh my
She's so
goodness.
pretty.
I missed the other greeting.
Mm. Okay, yeah, so that was me opening the XS Max. Um, yeah, I decided to do a voiceover because I really wasn't talking much in there. So basically, bought it from the Apple Store. I paid 1,200 for it. I bought Apple Care, which I still pay for every month, $9.99. Um, I this video been like, let me see, I had my phone for a couple of months. I say like 6 months probably at the most, but I was like, hey, let me just post this video because I recorded myself. You know, my kids already scrubbed me. I'm so sorry, but yeah, I'm still love my phone. So yeah, that's me opening that, and I will be back with more videos. So yeah, later.